This is ultimate juicy grilled pork for Vietnamese broken rice. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. In this video, I show you the secret to achieving restaurant quality melt in your mouth juicy pork for broken rice at home. Let's start with the meat. You can use pork loin, pork chop, pork fillet, and make sure we tenderize it. You want to break the fiber so that the marinade can get deep inside. I use the rich face first and then the flat side to then tenderize it. Please don't skip it. And here is the flavor bomb. Shallot, garlic, lemongrass. I use white part of green onion and white onion. We combine the flavor with honey, soy sauce, fish sauce, garlic powder, pepper. You can marinate it 30 minutes or better yet overnight. But please massage it so that the meat will be tender and juicy. You can use pestle and mortar or food processor to grind your ingredients here to be fine, but I keep them big like this. Before cooking, I will take those out. That will burn in the process of cooking. You can grill or bake the pork here, but for the shortcut, fast application, you can use the skillet like me. Did you hear that sizzle? That's the temperature you want, so that you get char both sides and lower the heat to get it cooked 2-3 minutes more. Don't overcook the pork. That's it. Now, instead of heating a lot of oil and make scallion oil, I use the leftover oil in the skillet and I drop the scallion in. And that's it. You need to remove now. Otherwise, the green color won't stay on. That's it. Now you can pair your pork with broken rice and others components for broken rice like pork skin. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more authentic Vietnamese eats. Thank you.